Shreenivas Silks and Sarees is a brand existing since 1905. We have been designing and creating hand-woven sarees in the silk town of Kanchipuram. Our brand story is marked with trust, creativity and innovation. Here's what makes us stand out. The saree is our canvas and weaving techniques are our tools to create masterpieces. With our own team of artists and designers, we continuously develop new motifs and concepts. We experiment with designs and colors, setting our sarees apart. When it comes to the art of weaving, we love pushing boundaries and exploring new techniques of hand weaving and fabrics. Clients return to us for this reason, making our work incredibly dynamic and interesting.